Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Avatar Editor and loading the outfit you'll adjust. This immediately puts you in edit mode where changes apply live. Once done, confirm the accessory is in your inventory and marked usable. If not, acquire or equip it first. Make sure advanced position controls are enabled so you can access translation, rotation, and scale sliders. You'll use these controls as the first actionable steps to position the accessory roughly where you want it before fine-tuning. You now refine placement. Use X, Y, Z translation sliders to nudge the accessory into place, moving in small increments so you don't overshoot. Then rotate around each axis. Choose 5-degree steps for consistent control, and visually check alignment from multiple camera angles. Once orientation is right, scale uniformly to preserve proportions. If clipping occurs, adjust individual axes slightly to correct overlap. Remember to toggle snap settings off for micro adjustments and on for repeatable, neat placement. You finish by locking the accessory and saving your avatar. Then test it during in-game animations to confirm it stays in place. If you see clipping or misalignment, adjust the accessory's pivot point or reduce scale by 5 to 10%, then recheck movement. Should the accessory disappear or behave erratically, detach and reattach it, or use reset to restore the default, and repeat the fine-tune steps. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle collision and test with multiple animations to catch hidden issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.